Hey everyone, today I'm talking about Instagram. Yesterday I talked about Facebook. So let's go to my Instagram account and I will show you how to find some hashtags and how to set that up and talk about how I post and if I get results from it. It's a little dicey, but let's go over and look. All right, so we're in my Instagram account. Now, I will say I do not post on Instagram a lot. And I just recently started posting videos because I've been taking videos while I work and then posting them in 4 different places, and Instagram is one of them. So I take a video, I did a little video about that. I'll post it at the end, but basically I'm using 1 video and 2 photos that I take while I'm working of different products, and then I'm posting them in different places. And if you saw the video I did yesterday about Facebook, this one's on Facebook because I posted it in both places. So this one's on Facebook. And I also posted this to Etsy Explore and to Pinterest and to YouTube, and I'll talk about those, at some other point this week. But Instagram, what they've recently done, they like Reels. Reels is their video feature. It's just all short videos, and this is going to show everything that's in my account. But if you're on the app, and this is my desktop, so it's not going to look exactly the same as on the Instagram app. If you're on a mobile device on Instagram, there's a Reels button, and they try to show you Reels. They want to keep people on with video. So video will work very well on Instagram now. It will show it to more people than you actually have following you because it tries to push it out to different people. So post a video. The way that I do it, I've been posting recently just a video a day or whenever I think of it. I'm telling it to post it also to Facebook, so I don't have to go to Facebook to do that. And I don't schedule anything for Instagram. I could, because I have Buffer as my scheduler and it does include Instagram, but it's just easier to do the videos while I work and then schedule 1 video and just post it and the whole thing. Okay, I post the video, I cross-post it to Facebook, and Instagram now takes every video and puts it on the Reels. So like I said, you might post it and then they're going to show it to more people than the numbers that actually follow you. I am not tremendously active on Instagram, but since I've started doing this, I have gotten more traffic. So you really are going to get back out of any platform the amount of effort that you put into it. I don't put much into this. Okay, but this is what I do. So when you're setting up your profile, you should definitely choose a business profile or a business account on Instagram because it will give you more stats. And you're going to have to claim your business and the whole thing. I don't know if you can claim an Etsy account. I think you can. I'm not sure. All these platforms are changing the rules with the way that they connect to Etsy. So you'll have to check on that. Things change. Instagram and Facebook change a lot fast. And then they take the changes back. It's very confusing. But just set your profile up and you get 1 link on Instagram. It takes you where you want people to go. Okay, so this link just took people to my Work With Me page, but then it takes people to where I want them to go. Now they're on my website if they click that link, and I have video tutorials, Wafer Paper, that's my blog. Here's cake decorating supplies, that's my sign up. So that's what I want people to do when they click this link on my Instagram profile. Now, some people use Linktree, which gives you 1 link, but it goes to like a page that has different places. So like if you have a YouTube channel or your Facebook page or your website or your Etsy shop, you can put all of those in 1 page. I prefer to have people go straight to my website, and that's the only option because I'm using this to drive traffic to my website. That's what I use social media for. If you have an Etsy shop and you want them to go to your Etsy shop, put that link there. It's up to you, and you can change this link as much as you want. You could change this link every single day. If you edit your profile, you can go in and change that link and just click edit profile here and it'll change it. So you can go in, and if you have something that you're trying to send people to a sale, like you have an item on sale, go ahead and put the link for the sale there to take it directly to that product or the section or whatever it is on Etsy. So this is the 1 link on Instagram that is a live link. You can't put links in your products unless you have a catalog of your website products. You can't do it with Etsy. A website catalog that I talked about yesterday in the Facebook video, you can link that on Instagram. And then on the mobile devices, there's a little icon that you can tag products, and people can click the little shopping bag icon. It doesn't show up here because I'm on my computer, but on mobile, they can click it and it'll take them to the link to your website to see the product. So that's the benefit of having a website and the catalog uploaded because it gives you a way to get people directly to the product, specifically in the photo or in your post. So that's Instagram. Now, I post, like I said, I've been posting maybe a video a day, just the same video that I put everywhere else. And it has increased my traffic. You have to be active on these platforms. You don't have to post 10 times a day. You don't have to post a long, very complicated video. It's just not important. But the more effort you put into something, the more result you're going to get back. Now, I was looking at this before just to show you hashtags. Hashtags are the way that people can search on Instagram, and they also can follow hashtags. So I could click on this and follow. If I clicked follow, then any post that has hashtag handmade soap in it theoretically will be shown to me by Instagram. Whether that actually happens or not is a different part of the algorithm, but people do follow hashtags and they follow accounts. So if I'm interested in handmade soap, this might be a hashtag that I follow, and it might be good to put that in my posts if I'm trying to sell handmade soap. Now, when I'm following people on Instagram, I follow generally other cake decorators who would potentially be buying my products. And I follow people from Etsy because I'm kind of using it as a connection tool to, keep track of the people in my eShop program and that kind of thing. But I get a lot of customers who tag me and do like the @a-cake to remember. They're tagging my business in their posts. And then I take their post and I've created this little, you can save other people's posts. And this is the kind of thing that somebody else will post this picture of the butterflies that they bought from me, they used on their cake. I will put it in here and I save it. And so anytime anybody tags me on Instagram and it's a picture of my products, I save it to my story and then I save it in this. And that's something that you can do. You can set these things up. An Instagram story is basically a post that goes away in 24 hours, but you can save them here. So that's what these are. It's basically stories that you have saved. And I think this is another customer's work. Yeah, see, and people like it when you share their post because it helps to spread their post. And it also gives you something to post if you haven't created something that day. So that's one thing that you can do. I would go in here and just search for hashtags. So let's say I'm going to hashtag cake decorations. Okay, cake decorations has 319,000 posts. Now, that is a lot. So I might not want to put that as the only hashtag in my posts because that's going to be kind of drowned out. But you can go down here and find things like cake decoration shop. That would be appropriate. I could put that. It's only 866 posts. Sometimes you don't want to go too low because then nobody's searching for it. But people might be searching for this a lot and then it might be too much. So you have to kind of choose a high and a low number. You can go into your competitors and see what kind of hashtags they use, see if it has volume that brings it up. And you can put up to, I think, 20 hashtags in an Instagram post. I don't know if you really need to do that. That's a lot. If you want to copy and paste them, you can do that, but you don't want to use the same hashtags in every single post because Instagram doesn't like that for some reason. This is the kind of thing where you just have to choose high and low and put a combination. And if you have a business account on Instagram, you can go in and look at your stats to see what's actually bringing you traffic. You might be able to see the hashtags and see what works. I'm not sure, but go and look to see what your competitors are doing. Just gather a whole bunch, good range, accurate to what the post is, and put it in your post and see what kind of traffic you get. So again, the effort that you put into this is going to come out on the other end. If you want people to go to your Etsy shop, post here, put that link right here. And then when you have a post, you can't really put a link in there that's live. It goes back, people have to go back and find your profile unless you're tagging, but that will have to go to a website, not to Etsy. So go watch this video next about how to use the videos in more than one place because Instagram does want video now. Everybody's competing with TikTok and the short form videos, and that's what keeps people on a platform. People get sucked into video much more than a static image. Leave me any comments and questions, and I will talk to you later.